sauces.
And I can
use
smell
it.
the wood burning. That's great.
Yes, yes. So